cabinet panel has said that as far as the latest version of Sputnik V Light is concerned, the Russian vaccine, they will be now contemplating on the clearances that can be given to it, also on the vaccine by Johnson & Johnson, if it can be introduced in the Indian market sooner than later. We know that Sputnik V, the first batch of the vaccines have already arrived in India, and the second batch, the second consignment is en route India very soon. Let's get you the updates coming in.
स्पुतनिक वैक्सीन जो है, स्पुतनिक वी, वो 2 डोज का वैक्सीन है, 3 हफ्ते के अंतराल पे लिया जाता है। इसकी यूनिक चीज़ ये है कि जो पहली डोज होती है वो एक अलग एंटीजन है, वो अलग प्रकार का गुण वाला वो वैक्सीन है, और जो 3 हफ्ते पे लिया जाता है वो दूसरा है। तो वो एडिनो वायरस जो है वो 26 है, ये 5 है। तो पहला हम ये देते हैं, ये अनलाइक जो बाकी के वैक्सीन है उसमें जो पहली बारी दे रहे हैं अगली बारी भी वही दवाई होती है, फ़र्क नहीं होता है। तो अभी जो सामने आया है शोध से, वो वहाँ उस देश से, उन्होंने कहा है कि पहला ही जो डोज है और पहला ही जो चीज़ दी जाती है वो ही काफ़ी हद तक काफ़ी है, ये उनका क्लेम है। ये इस क्लेम को हम एग्जामिन करेंगे, उनकी एप्लीकेशन आती है, इसको देखा जाएगा, इसका डेटा देखा जाएगा, इसका इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी देखा जाएगा, सेफ्टी हमें मालूम है, लेकिन बिना दूसरी डोज के कितनी इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी और कितनी प्रोटेक्शन है वो डेटा देखने के बाद में इसको ऑन मेरिट, इसका जो रेगुलेटरी प्रोसेस होना चाहिए वो होगा। और आने दीजिए, मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन आने दीजिए, डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेटा, एंड बट इट इज़ वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग। अगर एक सिंगल डोज से भी प्रोटेक्शन जैसा उन्होंने बताया है, इट इज़ वेरी इनकरेजिंग, इट मेक्स अस फील वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक।
My colleague Shivani is joining us on the phone line. So when it comes to the efficacy, Shivani, what is being said of Sputnik V Light is that it's around 80% efficacious, especially when it is a single dose vaccine. But when it comes to the Sputnik V that has already arrived in India so far, its efficacy is amounting to be more than 90%. When it comes to ramping up the vaccination drive, what are all the clearances and the applications that the government will now be seeking for its approval?
See, Amita, in India, as we know, as the second wave has come, and enormous vaccination drive has been launched by the government for all the people in the age bracket of 18 to 45, and we see that 16.5 crore people have already been vaccinated, and there's a huge target ahead of the government. So now there is a demand for more and more vaccines. So if the Sputnik Light, which is a Russian vaccine, so government has confirmed that they will examine the applications of Sputnik Light and also Johnson & Johnson to ramp up the vaccine drive, because we know at this time India needs more options of more vaccines. And another advantage with Sputnik is that it is a single dose vaccine, because it's a huge challenge to give 2 doses to such a huge population in the country. So if Sputnik gets all the clearances, that would be a phase-wise clearance. We've seen that initially when the indigenous vaccines in India were also given the green signal, there were a number of meetings, number of data analysis, number of reviews. So similarly with Sputnik and Johnson & Johnson vaccine also, all the experts will be reviewing all the aspects of this particular vaccine, and only then the government will decide if this can be used or it can be given a permission for used as a vaccine for COVID-19.
All right, thanks very much, Shivani, for getting us the update. So Sputnik V Light and also Johnson & Johnson are still seeking clearances. It's the government which is now waiting for any of those applications there, if at all it can be introduced in the Indian markets. Thanks very much, Shivani.